All right. Welcome back to Leadership Live at 8:05. I'm here with Dane Kirksey, and we're talking small business. Tonight's topic is ChatGPT for small businesses. Sell more, market smarter, and communicate better. We've had a great show. We talked about a lot of great things, but what are the three key things that people should take away from tonight's discussion?
Yeah, three key things, Andrew. I'd say the first one is remember RCTFC. RCTFC. R is for role. Okay, so you want to know what your ChatGPT is doing. You say you are a marketing specialist or marketing manager, or you are a sales expert, or you are a business communications coach. Next is context. You have to tell it what is the context that you're working in. So you're a communications coach that is helping me to communicate to a TEDx audience. The next is task. You have to give it a task to say, you're going to help me to create presentation notes. Then the format. So these presentation notes are going to be in the form of 3x5 cards that I can practice over the next week. And then constraints. What you do want to do is focus on your target audience and address them. And you want to address their pain points. And what you don't want to do is go over time. You have a certain amount of time that you have to present. So RCTFC, role, context, task, format, and constraints. The second thing is, if you decide to buy a subscription with ChatGPT, one of the products that you get is deep research. And that's a way that you can allow that tool to create reports for you, industry level reports that are very well substantiated by sources that are cited within that report, and will do a deep dive into the questions that you have, whether it's marketing, increasing revenue and sales, or enhancing your communications. And then I think third was perfectly presented by Andrew in terms of if you're just starting your business, knowing who is my potential audience, and importantly, knowing what are their pain points, so that you can ask ChatGPT, what is my potential audience? What are their pain points? And how can I alleviate that pain?